Hello guys, welcome to quick unboxing of SMSL PO100 Pro. This is a DDC which I ordered from eBay directly from Yoshida Audio. So this is a full tab here. Let me open this in FedEx style. Oops, didn't work. This side, yeah. This is the PO100 Pro. Slice through the packaging. Oh, we need to tear this out completely and then open it. This is what you get. This is some QC pass certificate. This is the user manual. Okay. The jitter figures on this one are lower than my Gustard U18. You get one type C to type C and one type A to type C cable, and the unit itself. This is cool, nifty, nice unit actually. Yeah, UAC 1, UAC 2, I2S modes and the lights. This is nice. Yeah, nifty little unit. Let me try it out and I'll post my feedback in the description section. Thank you so much for watching.